This bike is literally almost perfect.
It needs more limiters.
Like, subscribe, comment.
That wasn't shit.
What up, y'all? It's Nasty Nate. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe, join the fam, join the squad, comment, like, share, do whatever you gotta do. Even throw me a dislike, man. But today, I got a special video for y'all because I feel like I found a unicorn, the holy grail, my holy grail of motorcycles. This one I'm not flipping, I'm keeping, and here she is. Bam. 0304 636, 10K miles, one owner. Let's go. This bike is so clean. Look it. Got the shark fin thing. Got the turn signals. This thing is so minty, man. I'm so excited. It's crazy. I had just posted on my Instagram the other day. I was looking for a stock bike. And on the same day, somebody hit me up, said they saw this posting. I went up there, scooped it up. And the funniest part about this deal right here, the funniest thing about this bike is when I got there, I ran into a little hustler, young kid, just like me, out here trying to make some extra cash. He bought the bike from the original owner, and he was actually asking 38 for it. And I actually talked him down to 33 before I even took the trip up there. But I never commit to a price until I see the bike. So I was trying to go back and forth, trying to work him. The number that was in my head was 25. That's what I wanted to pay for it. I would have been happy with 3. We literally went back and forth for almost an hour and a half, and I was trying to work this kid, and he wasn't budging. But I'm happy with it because I got it for 33. The only flaw is the side fairing right there. If you can see, it's got a little rash and there's a crack right there. But other than that, man, stock exhaust. Man, this thing is so clean. All the decals are there. Nothing's missing. Even has the original toolkit. I mean, bro, this bike is beyond clean. Look at this. Original toolkit. There's literally not even dust in here. Not even dust on the motor. Crazy, that's so clean. What am I gonna do with it? I'm gonna leave it stock. So this bike is lowered, which is why I've got the triple off, because I'm gonna race it to stock height. It's got these funky dog bones down here that I need to take off, and I've got stock ones that I'm gonna raise it up to the stock height. But the only thing I'm doing to this bike right here is I'm going to put an RSC on it. Of course, I'm going to go 3 up in the rear, 1 down in the front, just to give me a little more pep. I always, for all my stock bikes that I've had, I keep these when I sell them. They're Vortex clip-ons. So that's why I've got the triple off, because I got these going on. The bars are longer. It gives me more control. Anybody that is a stunt rider that has a stock bike and wants a little more height, a lot of people know this already, but flip the clip-ons. So normally the clip-ons are angled down. I flip them up so it gives me an up angle, and I'm gonna ride it just like this. I don't know if I'm gonna take the turn signals or anything like that off, or the shark fin or whatever people call that thing. I don't know, but man, she's beautiful, and I feel like I got it for an okay deal. I think my pride just more hurt than the price. I don't really think the price is bugging me. I think the fact that I couldn't negotiate is what's bugging me. But at the end of the day, 10K miles, one owner, literally can eat off of this bike. 3,300 bucks. I know I can literally get my money back, or I can get more than my money back tomorrow. So possibly gonna be doing some 07 forks, 07 calipers, 07 caliper in the rear, and probably some EBC brakes all around. I think it's necessary. So I'm gonna do the clip-ons today, throw the RSC on. I'll probably do the gearing and the brakes in the next video. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next one.